Stephanie. This is Quentin. We're both from Phoenix, Arizona. I was adjusted by Dr. Haggard throughout my pregnancy, and it definitely made delivery so much easier. Quentin here has been adjusted since he was born. I'm a firm believer in chiropractic care. I don't believe in Western medicine and taking medicine for your headaches. I definitely come here every time I have any sort of ailment, and Dr. Haggard fixes me up right away.